Ever wonder what anaphylaxis is and what causes it? It's a severe, rapid allergic reaction that's potentially life-threatening. Common culprits include certain foods like nuts or fish, medications, and even insect stings. This isn't a reaction to shrug off. It's swift and serious, often sweeping in mere minutes after exposure to the allergen. That's why it's crucial to recognize the symptoms of anaphylaxis quickly and take immediate action. The stakes are high, but being informed could save a life. The symptoms of anaphylaxis happen very quickly. Here are 9 symptoms to look out for. Firstly, you may notice swelling of your throat and tongue, which can make it difficult to breathe or swallow. Secondly, you might find yourself breathing very fast or struggling to catch your breath. Thirdly, a feeling of tightness in your throat or a hoarse voice could be a sign of anaphylaxis. Fourthly, listen for wheezing, coughing, or noisy breathing. Fifthly, you may start to feel tired or confused. Sixthly, you could experience a sensation of faintness, dizziness, or even faint outright. Seventhly, your skin might feel cold to the touch. Eighthly, look out for blue, gray, or pale skin, lips, or tongue. If you have brown or black skin, this may be easier to see on the palms of your hands or soles of your feet. Lastly, you may also develop a rash that's swollen, raised, or itchy. Recognizing these symptoms can be life-saving. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to call for help immediately. Recognizing these signs can be the difference between life and death. Anaphylaxis is not something to be taken lightly. It's a severe allergic reaction that requires immediate medical attention. Don't second-guess or wait for symptoms to subside. Your quick response can save a life. Remember, anaphylaxis is a medical emergency. If you suspect you or someone else is experiencing these symptoms, don't hesitate to call for help.